listening to TKK 89.5 North Star FM Radio. Tatak K, radyo kaalamang pang-modular. Magaan na sa buhay, madali pa sa pag-aaral.
For this week, the most essential learning competency is relate the ability of the material to block, absorb, or transmit light to its use. In continuation with our last week's lesson, when light falls on a transparent or translucent things, some amount of light is transmitted, while some amount of light gets absorbed. The rest bounces off the surface of the thing. The bouncing off of light off a surface is a reflection of light. It is the bouncing off of light rays from the object's surface. This happens when the visible light is not totally absorbed by the material. Smooth and polished materials do not absorb all the light that strikes them. Most of the light rays that strikes the material bounce off. Light bends or refracts when it travels from one medium to another. As a result, the speed of light changes. For example, a pencil placed on a glass half filled with water. The pencil in the glass appears bent or broken. Why? Light slows down as it travels from the air to the water, thus resulting in the bent appearance. Let the light from a flash bulb or any source of light pass through a prism, and then to a blackboard. What happens to the light that went through the prism? This also happens when there is a rainbow. When white light passes through rain, it separates into different colors. Light of different wavelengths have different colors. The separation of white light into different colors is called dispersion. As light passes through one medium to another, like from the air to solid, it changes speed. The change in speed results in the bending of light called refraction. The refraction of light shows that white light is consists of different colors. These colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. But why do we see only a particular color in an object? When light strikes, some of the colors is absorbed, while some are reflected. The reflected color is the color of the object that you see. For example, a red apple. The white light strikes the apple. All the colors are absorbed except for red, so the apple appears to be red. Black materials appear black to your eyes because they absorb the light completely. This light is then converted to heat, and very little light from black material is received by our eyes. In contrast, white materials appear white to your eyes because they equally reflect all the light which is received by your eyes. Let us now proceed with the first activity. True or false? Listen to the following situations carefully. Write true if the situation states that light is being absorbed, and false if it is not. Number 1. Isabel wears dark-colored dress during cold weather. Number 2. Leaves absorb light during the process of photosynthesis. Number 3. While resting, Abel enjoys looking at a fish in the aquarium. Number 4. When light passes through a prism, the light reflects different colors. And number 5. Gab looks to the glass of water to test if it is clear. For the next activity, you are going to cite 3 activities where you transmit, absorb, or block light. Finally, tell what happened when light falls on different materials. Let us complete the graphic organizer. First, blank is the bouncing of light when it strikes a smooth and shiny surface. Second, light is transmitted in blank materials that allows light to pass through it. Third, light is transmitted in a blank materials that scatters or diffuses light that passes through them, creating a blurred image of the object. Fourth, light is blocked in blank materials that does not allow light to pass through them, creating a shadow of the material. And lastly, light is absorbed and changed to heat in blank materials. Write your answer on your paper. So there you have it. I know you'll do a lot of readings after this, but I don't worry much because with what you learned today, it will be easier for you to accomplish these tasks. Thanks for listening. So if you want to hear more and be guided with your lessons in Science 5, don't forget to tune in to our station, TKK 89.5 North Star FM Radio, Tatak K, Radyong Kaalamang Pangmodular, Magaan sa buhay, madali sa pag-aaral. Again, I am your teacher, your host for this hour, signing off. Hear from me again in our next episode.